Okay, I'm going to replace the shocks on this car, Chevy HHR. Before we jack it up, we want to break these loose. With these jack stands, do not put them with the handle to the back. Put them with these handles coming towards you, the outside. I'm going to start with the bottom bolt, and that won't go in there. I had to grab an extension so I can get around the drum. Looks like I'm going to have to use a breaker bar. Maybe it might be a good idea to loosen up the other one as well. That easy. Just taking the new shock, stake it behind the brake line. That's the parking brake line. This one's having problems. Trying to figure out why the new one's a tight fit. As we can see, this here is slightly wider than the old one. Let's find out what's going on here. 1.8, 1.9. Let's do this again side by side. 1.8, 1.9. So here's my resolve. I'm just going to sand this down a little bit, make it match. Okay, I'm having the same problem here. 1.8, 1.9. Just like the other one, I'm taking the sanding pad. I'm just going to remove a little bit of metal. Okay, after we did a slight modification there, it fits. Press this up, squeeze that. Torque specs, 66 foot-pounds, 92 foot-pounds. 66, 92. This is why we put the handle towards the front. Just reach in there and pull it out. 100 foot-pounds.